You can maximize your web browsing productivity with the Chrome features and keyboard shortcuts that I will show you in this video. Opening and closing a tab. Press Ctrl-T to open a new tab and Ctrl-W to close the current tab. Search engine. To start a new Google search on the current tab, press Ctrl-E. You can then type your search query and pressing enter will confirm your search. Find in page. Press Ctrl-F to open the search bar and start typing the word or text that you want to find in the current page. The browser will highlight the occurrences of your search term, and clicking the arrow buttons or pressing enter will take you to each occurrences of your search term one by one. Refresh and reload. One way to reload the page is by clicking the reload button at the left side of the address bar. But a quicker way to do that is by pressing F5 key or Ctrl-R. History and opening previously closed tab. If you've been browsing for a while and you want to revisit a page that you have previously been on, you can find that page in history by clicking Ctrl-H, provided that you are not using incognito mode. Or if you have accidentally closed a tab you didn't intend to close, you can restore it by pressing Ctrl-Shift-T. Bookmark. To bookmark a page, press the star icon on the right side of the address bar. You can select a folder where you want to save your bookmark or leave it to Bookmarks bar. Or you can press Ctrl-D to quickly add a page to your bookmarks and click done or press enter to confirm. Then, you can find your bookmarks below the address bar when you open a new tab. Opening a new incognito window. Right-click the Chrome icon in your taskbar and click New Incognito Window. Browsing in incognito will not save your browsing history and other browsing information. If you want to use the keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl-Shift-N. Or if you want to open just another normal window, press Ctrl-N instead. Bookmark all tabs. If you want to save multiple open tabs to your bookmark and easily open them later, here's how you can do that. Press Ctrl-Shift-D to bookmark all the tabs, and then you can provide a name to the folder where the tabs will be saved. After saving, you can see that the star icons are now filled for the individual tabs, which indicates that they are already bookmarked. To open all the pages on a folder in Bookmarks, right-click the folder and select Open All either in the current window, new window, incognito window, or new tab group. Tab group. You can use tab group to organize and label your tabs, especially when you have a lot of tabs open in one window. Right-click a tab, click Add to New Tab Group, and enter the name of the tab group and choose a label color for the tab group. You can then add other tabs in the existing tab group by right-clicking them, selecting Add to Tab Group, and clicking the tab group where you want to add a page. All the tabs that belong to a tab group are indicated by the colored line matching the label of the tab group. You can also move a tab from one group to another by clicking and dragging it to the tab group where you want it to belong. And as you move it to the other tab group, the tab's color outline changes to match the destination group's color. And those are some of the features and keyboard shortcuts that you can use to maximize your productivity when using Chrome as web browser. If you find this video useful, I appreciate if you like this video or leave a comment if you use other shortcuts and features that are not mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.